In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download StrikePay app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the store will load, showing you a variety of apps. This is where you can find and download new applications. Make sure you are connected to the internet for this step. A stable connection ensures that your download will proceed smoothly. Next, it's time to search for the app. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Strike Buy and Hold Bitcoin. Be sure to spell it correctly to find the right application. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This can help confirm you are on the right track. You want to find the app that allows you to buy and hold Bitcoin securely. This step is crucial because locating the correct app ensures you are using a legitimate service that meets your needs. After searching, verify that the developer is Zap Solutions Holdings Inc. You will see this information listed right under the app name. It's important to confirm the developer because it helps you avoid downloading fraudulent or malicious apps. Ensuring you are using a trusted source keeps your personal information secure. This small step is vital for your safety while using financial applications. Now tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located on the right side of the app listing. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this process can take just a few moments. During this time, you can observe the progress bar, which indicates how much of the app has been downloaded. Wait for the app to download and install. You will see a notification when the installation is complete. This step is essential because it ensures that the app is fully ready for use. If you rush this process, you may encounter issues when trying to open the app later. Once installation is finished, you will be ready to move on to the next step. Open Strike from your app drawer. You can find your app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the home screen. Look for the Strike icon, which typically features a unique logo. Tapping on this icon will launch the application. Opening the app is the gateway to your Strike account, where you can manage your Bitcoin transactions and investments easily. Finally, sign up or log into your account and complete identity verification if prompted. If you're a new user, you will need to create an account. This involves providing some personal information and possibly verifying your identity. If you're an existing user, simply log in with your credentials. Completing identity verification is important for security and compliance. It ensures that your account is protected and helps prevent unauthorized access. Remember, Strike is available in over 95 countries, including the Philippines. However, some features may vary by region. This means you might see different options depending on where you are located. Understanding this can help set realistic expectations for your experience. Now you are all set to use the StrikePay app on your Android device. Enjoy exploring its features and making the most of your Bitcoin experience. Thank you for watching.